Okay, thanks, Corey. That was so easy. I started this project and I had these bottle caps and I wanted to put some cuteness in them and turn them into magnets. So I used my Cricut to cut some perfect circles and then just went to work using watercolor paint to make some cute vegetables. We were literally snowed in. It was the beginning of January when the whole Midwest was under ice and snow, and I guess I was just dreaming of spring. So these brought me a lot of joy and I still love looking at them. So glad I made these in this theme. I don't know, I just love gardening and love spring, so this was getting me through some winter blues. I kind of went in stages with my watercolor. As you can see, I go through and do one color on each individual little circle, and then I go back once that first layer is dried and add the next color so that I avoid contaminating the different colors. And then I also can build up the colors. You'll see me go back over certain colors again with the same tone, and it just helps deepen and add some variety to the little painting. Here they are, all painted. And then I make the controversial decision to go ahead and line art them. I happen to love line art, but I was a little hesitant, thinking, what if I ruin it? I personally do enjoy it, even after the line art. I think both ways are nice, but it gives it a different kind of whimsy with the line art, I think. This is actually a really cheap gel pen from Walmart, so nothing fancy. Literally just makes me smile as I'm watching this. Those cute little green beans, forget-me-nots, and sweet peas. How can you not be happy when you see those things? Very soon I'll be out planting all of those things. Do you garden? What are you planning on growing this year? Look at how cute they are. I still have to line art the rest of them, but we're getting there. And now for some epoxy. I did a video last week that shows the whole process of me experimenting with epoxy after having tried a few other things, including Elmer's glue, to see if this would work. So yeah, if you want to see more about my experiment with epoxy, then you can go back and watch that video. Here they are all cured. And here's the issue I was having with the epoxy actually spilling out through the little tiny hole where the earring was attached. In my last video, one of you commented, Corey, thank you, for the suggestion to heat up the epoxy and try removing it that way. After attaching the magnets and letting it cure for another like 3 or 4 days, you'll see at the end how I got rid of it. Back with these earrings. So we're gonna try a few things. Since it's cured more, it looks like it might peel off easier if I put some force on it. So we're just gonna try some things here. Oh, look at that. That came right off. That was the least bad one. All right. Okay. Look at this, it's just chipping off. I might have to heat some of the thicker parts, and I have a hairdryer here to attend to that if maybe. It's kind of just breaking off. Look at that. Sweet. Come back to that one. It's not easy, but a lot better. It's just the 2 beat earrings that still have quite a bit gunked up there. So let's try heating it. Whoa. Okay, thanks, Corey. That was so easy. And so fast. Yay! So cool. Definitely a lot more malleable heated up like that. We did it. Now they're wearable.